information you need to follow. Please stow your hand luggage carefully in the overhead compartments. You can place smaller items under the seat in front of you. When the seatbelt sign is on, please fasten and adjust your seatbelt as shown here. Keep your seatbelt fastened and visible until the seatbelt sign is off. When needed, you can release it as shown here. Please switch your mobile phones and all other electronic devices to flight mode.
Welcome to the destination
electronic devices.
Please keep your seatbelt fastened and don't get up from your seat.
It's illegal to smoke on this flight,
completely stopped in the
including
terminal.
electronic cigarettes. Don't forget
It is
that the
also strictly
contents of the upper
prohibited to
luggage
smoke
rack
in the
could
lavatories,
move during the flight,
which are equipped with
Be careful
smoke
when
detectors.
opening it. Passengers
Attempting
in
to
transit
damage
with
these
connected to
detectors
another
is
destination
penalized
by law.
Please go to the
Should there
airline
be a loss
counter
of
at this
cabin
airport.
pressure, our staff will
Oxygen
gladly
masks
help you
will
drop
drop
down
down
automatically. The captain and
Pull the
crew,
nearest
we thank
mask,
you for flying with
place it
us.
over your
We
nose
wish you
and
a happy
mouth.
stay. Pull the straps to adjust your mask and keep breathing normally. Ensure your mask is properly adjusted before assisting others. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin, at the front